How's it going, guys? Today we'll be doing a review on the Babyliss Pro Compact Series clipper and trimmer. This is the clipper right here, brand new from Babyliss Pro. It is smaller, more compact compared to the original Low Pro FX clipper. This is the Low Pro FX compact trimmer. It is also smaller than the original. It runs for 2 hours. It is USB-C charging. It comes with a stand and everything like that, but right now we'll get into it. But this is the box for the Low Pro Compact Series trimmer. So for the Low Pro Compact clipper, I've already opened it, by the way, just to be clear. There's maybe one thing here missing, but as soon as you open the box, you see that the clipper is on top. I know it's kind of messy. You get some Babyliss Pro premium guards. You get the half to the 4, and it comes with this charging dock for it, USB-C. It is also interchangeable with the trimmer, so it doesn't matter. And then you get the little screwdriver, the oils, the little brush, and then here's the clipper itself. It is super nice, super small, compact. It comes with the new Babyliss Pro blade, and then it's a 5-click lever, and then you turn it on. It's super nice, super sleek. I feel like this is how they should have made it from the beginning, but I'm glad that they finally were able to do it now. It's super nice, quiet. It goes up to 6,800 RPMs, so not as loud or fast as the other one. So now we will be doing the compact trimmer. This one I have not opened yet. I just opened it just to cut it up a little bit, but here we go. As soon as you open it, this one's a lot nicer packed, I would say. It's super easy, just pull it out. You have the trimmer right on top with the little baggie. It's super nice. I'm here messing with the box just to make it thing, but anyway, so this is the trimmer. It is nice, super sleek. I like the blue on it. It's also, I believe, 6,800 RPMs. It comes with the graphite 2.0 blade. Super nice, super sharp. Not that loud. Also, super compact, dude. It's smaller than my hand, honestly. Super nice to hold. As you can see there, yep, smaller than my hand, dude. And I have average size hand, I'm just saying. So it's super nice, super compact, just for like those nice edge ups around the ear, the square and everything. So now for the things inside the box, it comes with the instructions, the Babyliss sticker, nice, and then it comes with the USB Type-C charger, just like also in the clipper. I just didn't get to show it. It comes in with that little USB wire also, and then you have the same charging dock as the clipper, so you're able to interchange them. Also USB Type-C, super nice. And then it also comes with the little tool, gapping tool, oils and stuff, and then a little extra, I think, cutting blade holder, I believe, yes, nice. And then it comes with the charger. So this is all also included in the clipper, but I just wasn't able to show it because, like I mentioned, I had already opened it. But yeah, so this is also, it's super nice, super small, compact. I honestly enjoy it. I can't wait to start cutting hair with it. But yeah, so this are both the compact series clipper and trimmer. Super nice from Babyliss Pro. Super new. As you can see if it focuses, the color on it are super nice. The clipper is probably the size of the trimmer. Honestly, it's super compact. I love it, man. I can't wait to start cutting hair with these. If you guys enjoyed this review, please drop a like and follow. I appreciate you guys for everything you guys done, and I hope to come back with more reviews. Thank you.